today is painting day, so I'm gonna take you with me through how I create a V-flat. It's just been recently a painting vlog, but yeah, this one will be different because this time I'm gonna actually film the painting. So what do we need for painting V-flats? We need a styrofoam, black paint, matte black paint, a roller, and yeah, hand protection kind of things, and that's it. So nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you with me through the location in the studio. I will turn the camera a bit so you can see. I'm gonna paint this one inside because yeah, it's freezing outside. It's minus 13 degrees at the moment, so it needs to be pretty warm to be able to paint and to actually have it dry. So I'm gonna take you with me. So as you can see, what do we need? Latex gloves, a little paint tray things, a roller which has been used a million times, a little bucket to put paint in, and then the most important thing is the paint, which is not shiny paint. That's at least the idea. So yeah, this is like matte 2.5 liters black, and I'm just gonna put that one in the bucket and then start painting it. I've got 2 to go, so there you can see previous ones. Over there, that's one. The other side is white black. These two I'm gonna paint both sides black because I want to have it not reflecting anything. Because if you're using white and black in one V-flat, the problem is that when you turn them in my studio, it still reflects light. If you want to block light, the other side still reflects. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started. Let's get those gloves on, and then yeah, we're gonna start painting. One important thing is to have the brush you're rolling with absorb a lot of paint before starting painting. Already one done. It took me like 2 minutes or something. So now we still have to do the other one. Yeah, same process. Don't get too stuck about, oh no, I got lines when painting, because the styrofoam will actually absorb the paint and you will have some white dots coming through, but that's not really an issue. It works for me fine, so don't think too much about it. Just paint it so that the base coat is black. You can still do a second layer, but first have it dry and then you can see later on. Also, when you're painting in a studio like mine or anywhere else, don't forget protection on the floor, because last week when I was painting my backdrop behind the couch, the tray with paint totally flipped when adjusting it, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, we need some more paint. As you see, I've just filled it up like once, and I already have to put a little bit of paint back in there, but you don't need a lot of paint, like a 2.5 liter bucket. Just a little bit of black paint will get you a long way. So yeah, let's get painting again. So yeah, this is how we paint. So I've done 2 sides on both of them. So I just have to wait until it's dry now, and then I can flip it around and do the other side. So yeah, nothing fancy about it, just black regular paint, in this case from Hubo, do it yourself store in Belgium, but just any regular matte paint will do just fine. And yeah, then it's up to you to just get a roller, paint it really quickly, have it dry, see what it gets. When it's dry, if it's black enough or not. If not, we will do a second coat. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video about how to create your own V-flats. When they're dry, I'm gonna continue recording so you have a better idea how it looks. A lot of light going on, but so yeah, I've just finished, in the morning I finished those two, and then just one side. And now I'm actually started painting a new backdrop. This is the sun coming in. So yeah, I'm just painting. You can see all the supplies, which are a lot. But yeah, I'm painting in grayish. This is the grayish tint. I'm gonna be painting the base layer. So that's already done. This still needs to be done. The idea is then in the end we got a really nice flow of two backdrops which go into each other, meaning it's 220 by 240 in width. So yeah, that's the idea. You can see the fridge behind me, which is like frosted, so we are having it defrosted, if that's a word. So yeah, that's it, and then I'm gonna start painting that one. That's it, primer is done. Now we wait till it's dry. So you've just seen the little behind the scenes from the V-flats we've made and the custom backdrop. One important thing that we didn't mention is the wood we're actually using. It's in Belgium, in Dutch it's called MDF. It's how do we say it, wood that has been pressed together really tiny, not OSB but MDF. Which is like a regular wood. It's 8mm thick, which is still enough for me to handle on my own when I have to place them against the white backdrop. And then yeah, that was it. So a little quick overview. So we've showed you the painting, how to use the V-flats. How do we keep the V-flat straight? We are actually using a bicycle frame. Not the bicycle frame, but where you put your bicycle in when you're going somewhere. We're using that to fit the V-flat in, then we bend it a little bit, and then you have an idea on how small we have to bend it so it stuck in there, and then we can move it around in the studio because it has those arches which holds it from falling over. So yeah, so now we got two V-flats black and we got two V-flats black-white, which is more than enough in the studio. So why do you use V-flats? It's to absorb light or to reflect light. Instead of a normal reflector, you can use these V-flats, which are bigger, which stand on their own, so you don't need any tripods to hold a reflector and those things. And you can use it to bounce light into, feather light into, absorb light, reflect some light. So it has a lot of options you can use. So yeah, that's it for this little vlog. It was again a painting vlog, so thanks a lot for watching. If you got questions about these, just feel free to get in touch with me. I will be replying below, email, all other social media. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere here. Hit that little notification ding dong bell. And then yeah, I'll see you later. Ciao ciao.
Bye.